Mr. Speaker, Canadians know that the Conservative government has always made the safety and securities of our communities and families a top priority. In those unfortunate and stressful times when an emergency strikes, Canadians expect a rapid and effective response. Dithering's not an object. Key decisions need to be made by the appropriate people and need to be made quickly. Can the Minister of Public Safety tell this House what the government has done to formalise emergency planning so that Canadians are safe in the event of an emergency?
Honourable Minister of Public Safety.
Mr. Speaker, I'd first like to thank the honourable member for his support and hard work on this very important file. Canadians expect that the federal government response to an emergency is seamless and that key decisions can be made quickly and effectively when disaster strikes. That is why today this Conservative government has released the Federal Emergency Response Plan.
Good.
This plan provides an integrated response for emergency management. Furthermore, this plan also takes the important step of coordinating responses across levels of governments and private organizations.
Well done.
Canadians can be assured that we're taking care of their safety.
Right on.